So guys, magluluto tayo ng VG, vegetable. Yan. Ito muna natin bawang. Sunod natin yung sibuyas. Yan. Sunod natin yung chicken leg mushroom. Yan, yan. Tuyo, maglagay tayong tuyo. Oyster sauce. Chicken liver. Oh. Celery. Lagyan na natin yung bell pepper. Yan. Lagyan na natin itong mga gulay niya guys. Yan. May repolyo, merong carrots, broccoli, tsaka cauliflower. Ito guys, luto na itong ating vegetable fry with mushroom, chicken leg mushroom. Yan. Testingin natin guys. Tikman natin yung ating vegetables. Champion na champion. Yummy. Tayo na guys.